Hello, so we are at the famous St. Jacob's Market at Kitchener, which is a city in Ontario. So it's around 1 hour away from where we stay at North York. So it's a very famous market that's, I think, open Monday to Saturday or Monday, Thursday, Saturday or something. So ang daming tao here. Wow. Actually, wala akong masyadong alam na background information because I didn't know that we're going here in a bit. And we are with our Tita Yol. Hello po. Hello. Wow, so there's someone playing the violin. Hello, my love. Hello. Sinabi ko nga sa vlog, right? Wala akong masyadong alam na background info because I didn't know we're coming here. Truthfully, I'll be checking on it later because... Okay. Thank you for the guidance. So checking. Whoa, catnip inside, cat toys. Oh.
My cat is not
Hi.
cat. It's just beautiful.
Whoa. During the St. Jacob's Market. Whoa, ang daming tao. Zoom out. Okay. So there's coffee. I'm not sure. True North. Smoked and barbecue. Where's the smoke? There's flavor. Okay, gonna look for my wife now. Hi, love. Wow. So True North, smoked and barbecue. Where there's smoke, there's flavor. So there's salt and pepper salmon, blueberry honey, vodka, different fish, biscuit and egg, Guilty and rye, pork belly hash, market bowl. Ah, hindi super mahal kayo. Matig 10 CAD, 12 CAD. Sarap lang. Brisket sandwich for $10, $12. No. Busog pa naman ako. Thank you. Sarap. Check pa tayo ba? So that looks good. So chicken leg for $2. Ah, $20 I think. Oh, $2. It's just $2 chicken leg. Hi, good afternoon. No, I'm just looking at the products. So everything looks good. It's our first time here, so half chicken for $14. Oh, sorry. Pulled pork for $21. And mom is friendly. Okay, there are also other people shooting, so I can see I'm not the only one shooting, and it's not that offensive. I don't think it's offensive, at least. So this is the market. Wow. I am embracing the vlogger life. Let's see what this is. We're with our Tita Yol, our very kind guide and host. What's this? Mango spread. Blackberry spread. What is this? Oh, can I look at that one? Oh, that looks good.
You want?
No. What is this? Oh, that.
Yogurt.
It's rice milkshake, I think.
Rice milkshake.
Yeah. Whoa. It's chicha. Rice milkshake.
May taste test yata sila eh. May taste test.
Taste test po. Sige po. Indulge in the rich flavors of Venezuela with the taste of tradition. Venezuelan rice chicha.
Taste na.
Thank you po.
This one, right? Try natin. Taste test.
Ano?
Taste test saka yung
Oh, okay. Try natin, right? Let's try. Try ito sa pati. Ayun niyo ba? Oh, sorry.
Try the pet yung ano nila yung waffle.
Try. Oops.
Try the waffle.
Verdict. Chicha. Sarap?
So thick.
So thick? I'll try it now.
Balik mo doon nila na.
Sige po.
Babalik na.
Ay, babalik po? At tatapan po.
Try the
Try ko to.
waffle.
Sarap play. Solid. Rice milkshake. That tastes good. How about that one? What's that one?
Sarap yan siguro, Belgian waffle siguro.
Belgian waffle. Sarap?
Sarap.
Hindi ko. Sarap.
Sarap yung waffle.
Sarap, sarap.
Try me yan. Nakuha kayo stick with medyo.
Taste test it ba?
Sorry, late na ako.
It's okay. Excuse me, sir. Sorry. Thank you. So, it's Leia, coconut, delicious South American treats. Let's just read what this is. Tropical fruit spreads. Leia gift box. That looks good. But this, we are at Ackrod's Honey. Ackrod's Honey for your honey. Okay, so what does that mean? You can trade your honey for Ackrod's Honey? I'm not sure. There's wildflower, there's summer blossom. Hi, good afternoon.
Okay.
I'm just looking at the products which all looks good. Buckwheat. Oh, so honey sticks. This is $50 each. How much are you selling this for? Where are the prices? So sorry.
These are $15.
Okay.
These are $18.
Okay. Is it okay if I record?
Sorry?
Is it okay if I video?
Okay.
Okay. They look good.
Okay.
This is how much? Sorry.
$15.
$15.
Yeah, these are the regular ones, $15.
Okay. Thank you very much. So this is $50 and that's big already. It's around 600 pesos. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi po, Tito. Sorry, nagvo-vlogger life po ako. Hi, love. Daming, legit, oh. There's head cheese. What's this? Eva's Hungarian and Canadian Deli. Oo nga, no? Mennonite? Parang tinanong natin what's Mennonite right now.
Parang sila mga Amish.
Yeah, parang Amish. Parang, not sure. It's Eva's Hungarian and Canadian Deli. Ibang farmer's ham, salami, sausage. Ma'am, good afternoon. Michidin. It's a snack or sa meal. Michidin's patties are ideal. How much? Ayra. Jamaican patty pala to. We have doubles, 550. Jerk chicken, 14 point. Jerk chicken rayo, 15. Oh, medyo mas mahal yun. I'm not sure, pero parang, di ba parang jerk chicken? Parang pulled chicken ba yun? Jamaican patty. So, 3 for $10. Wait, what? 3 for $10? 3 for $10? So, tig 100 lang. Muro lang, no? later. Ikot-ikot lang ako. Ikaw, gutom ka na? May gusto kong try, ah. So that's Jamaican patty. Anong masasabi mo, my love? Comments. Looks legit. And it's 3 for $10. So, hindi lang.
Yeah.
How about there? Let's hear. Ontario's finest. Ontario's finest. So, daming iba-ibang stuff. Ano to mga to?
Mga sauces.
Sauces. Chunky salsa. Ito mga rub, oh. Oh. Brisket rub. Mustard. Affordable naman yung kapag $7 sa 400. Hindi, 7 times 40. Ito, 80 lang. Oh my garlic. Malalaki, no? Garlic buck spices. Mga spices and food stuffs. Wow, daming stuff.
Yeah, and different kinds of stuff.
Different kinds.
All over the world.
Totoo. Ira knows more than me about food. I just eat. So, my commentary is not as refined. But everything looks good. Ganda. And the people selling the stuff are very friendly. About this. Paintings. Hello. May gusto ka? Okay, we are now at the clothes part. How much is Canadian made belts? 100% leather. So it's 26. So it's 26 the belt. So let's just assume plus tax plus 13%. So around another, what's that? Mga 30 something. So mga tig 1,300 yung mga yan. Mga belt. So 100% leather. Pero may cheaper. 2 for 16.
Legit leather.
Wow. Boutique. And we have, I'm not sure if these are legit covers. Not absolutely sure about that. Riverbend mandalas, handcrafted by local artisans. So that's around $70. So original sila. Small. Oh, ganda ng mga ito. That's my wife. I think I lost her. This is the Shea Butterman, art, gifts, and more. Oh, Shopee. Shea butter, black soap, Simpa for psoriasis. Oh, Hollywood Arts and Designs. Hey, love. So my wife is very good in painting. Oh, where? Oh, no picture taking this booth. I'm sorry for that. So skip that part. There's no picture taking.
What are you funny?
How about this one? $3 each. Done by visual impaired. All of the money goes to her. Galing. $3 each, or 2 for 2 for 5, so around $3, so 150. Kind of the true north. Kitchen equipment. A lot of Canadian flags. Okay, shirts. Earrings, necklaces, around 400 each. There are various products here. Anything you fancy, my wife? Wow, 2 for $6, so 3 lang. Tag 120 lang. That makes sense. Okay, let us push forward. Kumusta? Ayun, right, punta tayo sa harap. Yun yung St. Jacob's Market. There it is. St. Jacob's Farmers Market, which is Tuesday summer market, Thursday and Saturday all year. So may mga dumadaan na cars. Pasok. Souvenir of Tibet. Hindi very clear yung pricing of everything. You'll need to ask. Please do not lift up. Thanks. Lavender flower and lavender farm. Oh, ang bango dito, Ray. You can really feel the lavender. The scent speaks for themselves, for the products. Milu's art, handmade locally in South America.
Oh, wow.
Grabe, iba-ibang cultures talaga. Grand impressions, custom engraved gifts and signs. Very interesting here. If ever there is tomorrow, when we're not together, there is something you must always remember. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. But the most important thing is, even if we're apart, I'll always be with you. Oh, ganda. Picturean ka pa. Applicable to my wife and me, as we are away from our family right now. Jonathan David. Oh, mahilig siya sa food. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most space in your heart. Galing, galing. Friends forever. John's Backyard Barbecue. So customs, engraved gifts and signs. Grand impressions. Your design here. Okay. How about this one? Toys. Toys galore. Hello. Cute. Please do not lean on glass. Oh. Iba-ibang stores. Iba-ibang toys. Mostly kids stores. Ito naman ay socks. Oops, huwag ka mag-stop there. Moja. Let your feet walk. Oh, galing. Let your feet walk and your socks stop. Moja.
Oh, may Lakers dito.
No.
Lakers forever.
Totoo, Lakers. Pero walang Lakers eh. Dami, iba-iba. May taco, dinosaur socks. May boxer, dinosaur socks. May banana briefs. Iba-iba. Pencil socks. Different various socks, but no Lakers socks. Cool looking store. Okay, and there are Canadian flags everywhere. So again, my grand idea for the Philippines: increase the number of flags, please. Oh, there are baseball cards. $1 each.
Oh, wow.
Si Tim Horton, Ay, walang Tim Horton. Wait, baseball player ba si Tim Horton?
Oo nga, no?
So these are baseball cards. Hot Wheels. Fido and Fifi. Help Fits Happy Pets. So parang sikat pala yung name na Fido here.
Oo, high protein. Ano na lang mga treats
Great for low to medium sugars.
for Muffy.
Large beef tendon.
Muffy. This is
Duck
for
feet.
you.
Hot dog skins. Happy birthday. It's
Happy
very...
birthday.
Oh, kangaroo prime bites. Meron.
5.
Fido and Fifi. Fenigo, everything for a liter less lunch. Okay, ito naman tayo sa masarap. Let's look for food. Open green at glass. Turmeric, much more than just turmeric.
Got it together now. It's too heavy, eh? Yeah. I know. Around the shoulders. I mean, that's complicated.
Handcrafted soy candies. Bath bombs.
Bath bomb.
Wow, it smells good here.
Somebody's there.
Oh, hi, good day. It smells really good in your store.
Thank you.
The smells speaks for themselves, so.
See,
Bye.
the person on there needs to be here.
Yeah,
Right?
I agree. Agree,
Yes,
agree.
They need to be here.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there someone there though? You're
Ah.
someone
Okay.
who's just taking videos.
Correct. I'm just taking videos.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Have a good day,
Bye,
ma'am.
guys.
Very friendly
Yeah.
store owner. But
So your subscribers should be there now.
okay.
Oh.
Sorry, I did not understand. The Little Prince, world's smallest movie theater. Aw. Hi.
Thank you.
Good day. Good day.
Thank you. Would you guys want to try some popcorn?
Oh, thank you very much.
Can we try?
And it is really from the world's smallest movie theater, recognized by Guinness World Records.
Really?
Oh,
We're in Stratford. There's a picture of the cinema over there on the shelf. And you
oh,
can rent it out privately and you choose the movie.
Oh.
wow.
It's from
Okay.
there?
It's in Stratford.
Okay, I think we're going later. I
Are
think
you?
it's Stratford.
To
Yes.
see a show?
Yes.
Oh, amazing. What are you going to see?
What's this? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so
No
sorry. I'm so
worries,
sorry.
no worries.
I think this is the play. Something rotten. Something rotten. So,
Oh, you're in a book. I've heard that's a good thing.
Really?
okay.
Have you
Do-
watched it?
No, it's on my list.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to have a good day.
Thank
Okay.
you so much.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
also for the
You're
free
welcome.
popcorn. Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. You're very
Thank
friendly.
you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Yum. Thank you. Thank you. Choco Sol, bean to bar chocolate. Almadina.
Bean to bar.
Yeah, bean to bar chocolate. So, what's this? Ano yung sabi ni Isaac sa atin? Single origin. Single origin.
Single origin.
Frontier mushrooms. Ooh. Right, roast beef sandwich. Oh. Pero 400 plus 600. Mga 800 din. Mahal siya. Roast beef sandwich. Dang, son. The roast beef sandwich. Half size available.
Did you cut it in half? Yeah. No
Looks
problem.
good. That looks very good.
Do you want? Do
No.
you want fries?
Rather full. And I don't want to blow our money. Fine herbs and garlic. Simple goodness.
How are you doing?
Hi, good day. This look good.
Yes.
Look great.
Chinese?
No, we're Filipino.
Filipino.
We do look Chinese though.
Yeah, a little bit. Asian.
Yeah, Asian. Good day, sir.
No problem. Do you want to try a sample?
Yeah, sure. If you have one,
Yeah, just give me a second, okay?
no problem.
I always start over here. Okay, thumbs up, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's garlic number 1.
Tastes great.
And this is garlic number 2.
Garlic. Oh, this is
Oh,
garlic number 2.
right number 2. Oh, I think I like number 2 more,
Yeah.
but both are good.
This is garlic
That's-
number
that's number
butter.
2.
Garlic butter. First
Oh,
one's made
garlic
with
butter.
olive oil and soy.
Okay, 2 for $24.
And this is 10 and 15.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
No problem.
It tastes good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a
Take
good
care.
Yeah.
Friendly people. Summer fresh lemonade. Welcome to Bake My Day. Butter tarts, brownie tarts. What's that? Mix your own. Alright, you can? So 1 for 3, so it's just 120, 150. So I think it's affordable. We have salted caramel, maple walnut, rum and raisin, pecan, beba, score turtles. Hi, good day. They look good. You want one? No?
You want
No. Thank you very much, man. Okay, so we're going out. Sanitizer. Oh, sorry. Dami pala nun. Very soapy pala.
Foreigner already thought that we're Chinese.
Yeah. A lot more to come. Wait till you hear our surnames.
One down. One.
Ito.